Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to turn on or turn off accidental touch protection in your Samsung phones. In Samsung phones, accidental touch protection facility is available. Okay, if you would like to use this feature, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to display, then go to accidental touch protection and turn on this button. It will protect your phone from accidental touches when it is in dark place like in your pocket or in your bag, etc. So to avoid such accidental touch, use this option accidental touch protection. Just turn on this button so that accidental touch will not be used as a touch. Okay, it will not be recognized as a sensitive touch. Okay, so in this way you can easily protect your phone from accidental touch. Okay, if you would like to turn off accidental touch in any case, just use this option to turn off. Okay, just to turn off this button so that accidental touch protection will not be enabled for your phone. So in this way you can easily turn on or turn off accidental touch protection in your Samsung phone. This feature will be given to almost all Samsung phones. So you can check it in your phone if this option is available or not. If it's available, just always use accidental touch protection to save your phone from accidental touch. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.